Hey guys, I am Phil Knight and the author of the book, Shoe Dog. I have also founded the world's largest shoemaking brand, Nike. In this video, we are going to discuss about the one major rule from the book Shoe Dog, which led me to the way to my success. Now Nike is worth over $30 billion. If you also dream to make a big company like this, then watch this video till the end. This book teaches a main lesson, that is fail fast. No matter what is your age, by which conditions you are going through, your family background, these all things do not matter. You need to start now. You don't need any assets for starting up. All you need is an internet connection and a laptop, and that is it for starting a big brand like Nike. You won't understand anything at first. This thing happens with everybody. You have not taken an MBA degree. So, to understand the basic principles of business you have to read books, watch videos, meet people who have done these things. These things will be hard at first, but when you will do your work consistently, no matter if you fail at first, keep trying. That is what every big entrepreneur does in his or her beginning stage. Do you think that Mark Zuckerberg's success was overnight? Well, if you are thinking so, you are wrong. The average amount of time taken by a successful entrepreneur is 5 years. Facebook was not a big success on its first day. It took it years to grow. So did happen with Nike. My first consignment took 1 year to be delivered, but I was not depressed by it. That is where consistency play a huge role. You have to be persistent, otherwise there are big masters in this game, who are keeping a sharp eye on you. They are ready to beat you with their tactics. Get a habit to stand back. Cut down your bridges. Just say, I am here to go ahead, not to stop here.